Hey, this is El Backpacker. Today's gonna be different for me. Today's gonna be for me. That's something that I don't usually do. So let's get to it. We're gonna be doing Rose Knob Peak up in Mount Rose Wilderness. Let's get to it. So why did I pick Rose Knob Peak, especially the Mount Rose Wilderness? Two things. Well, not two things, couple things. First of all, it's just kind of reclaiming back to myself, you know. Felt like the past couple months there's been a lot of transformation, a lot of things going on internally, externally, and I've always been someone that needs to come reconnect with myself back out in nature, you know. That's just what it is. And picking this hike today is that it's me saying, you know what, I'm back better than ever to myself. And I wish that for I want to say the Japanese have a word for coming out here and cleansing and just kind of getting back into your roots. And the term would be called forest bathing. Not literally bathing in the forest, but bathing out your soul, bathing out the energy in you, your mind, your thoughts, just reconnecting with life. You know what I mean? I mean, this right here, making me so happy. It's making me feel clean. I can breathe. So yes, forest bathe if you can. Talk about being right in the middle of the Sierra Nevadas, man. I mean, this is smack dab in the middle of it. How freaking cool. I mean, the granite. Here we are, actually climbing Rose Knob Peak right now. It's gonna be about 9,200 feet once you get up there, almost. Rose Knob Peak right there, baby. Here we are, Mount Rose Knob Peak, baby. Actually made it. I made it. Thanks for joining El Backpacker on this amazing hike to Rose Knob Peak Trail. Couldn't have done it without you guys.